हाय फ्रेंड्स।
एसएपी डिलीटेड सॉल्यूशन से आपका दोस्त अनुराग वर्मा आपके लिए एक नई सीरीज लेके आया है जिसके अंदर हम एसएपी बिजनेस प्रोसेस को समझेंगे। तो हम शुरू करते हैं। एसएपी बिजनेस प्रोसेस, एसएपी R2R, रिकॉर्ड टू रिपोर्ट, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, एसएपी P2P, एसएपी प्रोक्योरमेंट टू पे, मेटल मैनेजमेंट, एसएपी O2C, ऑर्डर टू कैश, सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एसएपी RAR, revenue accounting and reporting. I have 15. SAP R2R process, record to report, offsetting of chart of account, COA. Chart of account is offsetting of journal ledger. Journal ledger is used for offsetting of financial statement. Financial statement divided into two parts: profit and loss account, that is statement of accounts, revenue ledger account, statement of expenses, ledger accounts, balance sheets accounts, that is assets, that divided into the next two part: current assets and non-current assets. Ledger accounts, liabilities, that also divided into the two part, that is the current liabilities and non-current liability. Ledger account. Types of accounting: ledger R2R process, accounts payable accounting, P2P process, account receivable accounting, O2C process, asset accounting, fixed asset register, BAM accounting management, withholding tax, direct tax, TDS, GST, goods and service tax, indirect tax. These ledger also divided into form of sub-ledger accounts as per requirements. SAP P2P, procurement to pay, that is metal management, determination of metal requirement, purchase requisition, request for quotations, maintain quotations, decide vendor, purchase order, goods received, invoice processing, vendor management. Next, O2C process, order to cash, inquiry, quotation, sales order, shipping, billing, invoice, customer receipts. Next, we started very most important topic, that is SAP revenue accounting and reporting, that's also called RAR. जब हम किसी रिवेन्यू को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं तो उसमें वो सेल्स का प्रोसेस होता है और रिकॉग्निशन FI फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग में होता है। तो सेल्स के प्रोसेस में हमारे 5 स्टेप होते हैं: प्री सेल्स एक्टिविटीज, नेक्स्ट सेल्स ऑर्डर, डिलीवरी, इनवॉइस, देन रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन। अब हम SAP रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन स्टैंडर्ड और कैसे इसका एवोल्यूशन हुआ उसके बारे में थोड़ा ब्रीफिंग करेंगे। 2008 discussion between ISB and FASB about new common standard for revenue recognition. In 2010, first exposure draft issued, first comment period. In 2011, redeliberation November 14, 2011, second exposure draft. In 2012, March 13, 2012, end of second comment period, July to December, redeliberation in 2013, July 13, external review draft in 2014, May 20th, 2014, publication of IFRS 15 and FAS 2014-09, and effective date from 2018, effective date annual reporting period beginning on or after 1st January 2018. IFRS preparers can early adopt. In IFRS 15, there is a step model of revenue recognition. In IFRS 15, step first, identify the contact with the customer. Step 2, identify the separate performance obligation in the contract. Determine the transaction price. Step 4, allocation the transaction price to the separate performance obligation in the contract. Step 5, recognize revenue when or as a performance obligation is satisfied. Next, integration of revenue accounting with operation application and FI. That also may be SAP application or non-SAP application. That also integrates with SAP sales and distribution, CRM, SAP BRIM, also called SAP billing and revenue innovation management, other SAP component, non-SAP third party system, revenue accounting contract. बेसिकली ये आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैनेजमेंट है जो IFRS 15 2018 1 जनवरी के बाद स्टार्ट हुआ है और स्पेसिफिक फॉर द सर्विस कंपनी, कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के लिए टोटल रेवेन्यू चेंज मैनेजमेंट है जो IFRS 15 एडॉप्शन एक लीगल कंप्लायंस है जो SAP और बाकी सभी सॉफ्टवेयर ने अडॉप्ट किया है टाइम टू टाइम. Those company use IFRS, those are applicable for IFRS 15. SAP revenue accounting and reporting flow, operation application, that is same before screen, SAP SD, SAP SOM, SAP FICA, and SAP third party. After order, total data convert into the revenue accounting item, that's called the adapter reuse layer, and then total performance obligation change into the 3 RAI. Then also that data shifted to the BRF plus, and that after that all the data after the process that shifted to the revenue accounting engine, process management, data provisioning, RA contract, performance obligation 1, 2, 3, invoice management, fulfillment management, posting management, contract management, accrual run, FI general ledger, and COPA. That is the end posting position, and that's also called the SAP revenue accounting and reporting. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी मिलते हैं अगली वीडियोज में अगले कंटेंट्स के साथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो.